Hello and welcome to my first video on this channel. I'm just getting into restoring die-cast cars and thought you might like to come and join me on the journey. Thought I'd just show you some of the cars I've got. Now these I'm going to put the title of this about purchases for March, but this is all I had before February, and some of these I've had, like this Transit. I've had that since I was a kid, so you know this bit of everything. I'm not going to go unboxing them because, like I say, these ones have been sitting, like they were sitting in the other room, but they were sitting on the top since before February. So purchased these over Christmas. Like I say, some are what I already had, and so these were the first that I bought. I mean, a lot of them are Corgi Juniors because I thought to start with I don't want to go sort of too expensive. So I just went like little bundles of Corgi Juniors and stuff. I will tell you the prices when I start doing the cars. I will say the dearest one on this table, or wherever it is that 1100 MG. That cost me £4.7 including postage, and then there was some that was free. This was still mint in a box, and that was free. Like I say, some I've had before. I'll go through all that. Like I say, price wise, when I finally get round to doing them. Well, I'm hoping to start restoring them this week, so hopefully you'll get some videos coming up in the next week. Got a couple of little questions for you if you want to make a comment. I want to do some Britain's tractors as well. That's where how I've got into the hobby, basically. Been wanting to do Britain's tractors for years after seeing someone else doing them. I worked out that it's actually 27 years ago when I watched him do them. And so I've got loads of tractors. So the first question is, do you want to see them? I'll put them out here, what I've already bought. I haven't bought none since Christmas, but I've got some tractors ready to do as well. And I don't want to bore you with them as well too much. But like I say, this is just the first lot of cars. What I've got here, I think this is probably going to be, this Vauxhall is probably going to be the first one I do. Or the Humvee, not sure because they're pretty basic. A few what I think, I'd like to get on with, but just to learn, just learning. Second question, and I really would like an answer on this if you're watching this in the first week of it going up, is I've moved stuff from my bedroom to the wife's hobby room. That's why I'm shoved in the corner at the moment. I'll give you a quick look at what it is. We still can't really see, to be honest with you, because of the lighting. But no, you can't really see, I don't think. But what it was, done this room for me wife, and then we ended up with a load of stuff in here from my house, from my sister-in-law's, and we ended up with the whole stuff in here. So for 5 years we haven't got in this room, and I've finally managed to get a desk in here after clearing it out. Like I say, so it's a storage room for 5 years, and yeah, so my plan is to build it into a hobby room. Now, what I want to know, what the question is, second question is do you want to see it? Do you want me to show you what I do? Because everything's coming out of here, and we're going to make it into a hobby room, not just for me, but for the wife as well, who does a bit of everything, But I'm just going to have this. It's a funny shaped room. It's quite a small room. As you can see, the ceiling comes right down low behind all this rubbish and stuff. So I've just made it so I can actually make a start on my car, because it's been driving me potty. I've been waiting like probably 2 years to actually get in here. So let me know if you want to see it. That's all I want to know. Do you want to see it? And let me know. Like I say, I've already got well over 100 cars since I bought these ones, or 100 vehicles. I've ordered just literally bought 25 from a live auction from a charity in Scotland. Well, it looks good. I bought several lots of them so far. They've all been quite good quality stuff. I'll show you them in like maybe an April purchase video. I don't want to ramble on too much, I just want to give you a rough idea, start the ball rolling. I'm going to start on one of these hopefully this afternoon, and yeah, but like I say, if you want to see the tractors splitting stuff, let me know, and I'll do a video of that. And also let me know if you want to see the hobby room being redesigned, rebuilt. It's only going to be done on the cheap, but yeah, see what we can do with it. Right, thanks for watching. Thanks for taking your time to watch. And if you like it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe, I suppose. Right, cheers. Bye for now.